Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray, and today we're doing another smartphone camera comparison with the Oppo Find X8 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro. And for this one, we are at the Taj Mahal. This is going to be great. Now, as I do in all of my smartphone camera comparisons, everything you see in this video is recorded on these two devices, so just keep an eye on the bottom of the screen to see which device and which cameras from that device are being used for the photos and the videos that you see. With that, let's get to it to see how these two devices stack up in everyday use. Let's take a look.
Everyone knows it.
And there it is behind me, the Taj Mahal. You can definitely see that the iPhone does a lot better job there. Look at that, Josh. You can't even see it on the Oppo.
Right.
But let's switch over to that main camera and see if it comes out a little bit clearer.
Smart HDR.
There's another reason why you should be always using the main cameras, even for your selfies, because you should be able to see the Taj Mahal behind me, and you definitely couldn't on the Oppo with that selfie camera. But let's take a quick break to talk about the sponsor for today's video, the Vantrue E360 dash cam, this one right here. Now, there are a lot of dash cams that do capture video from the front of the vehicle and also the inside, just like this one does. But the setup here is pretty unique. It has two cameras, one on the front and one on the back, both capturing 210-degree field of view, which is then seamlessly stitched into a 360-degree panoramic video. But of course, there's also a camera on the back of the car as well, allowing that to integrate seamlessly into this, giving you video from practically every angle from around your vehicle. But this is more than just a dash cam, since the Vantrue E360 also doubles as just a regular 360-degree camera with this handheld mount that's included in the price, that also has a built-in tripod so that you can stand it up, and 4 hours of built-in battery life so that you record videos from your family adventures, sporting events, and a whole lot more. The dual imaging sensors do offer HDR video capture for those more tricky lighting conditions, but the unit also integrates 8 infrared lights for improved video night vision capture, whether you're using it as a 360-degree camera or have it set up as a dash cam in your car. I have to say that this is by far the most versatile and unique dash cam that I've ever used. If you want more details on the Vantrue E360, be sure to check out the link in the video description below. And thanks to Vantrue for sponsoring this video. And now, let's get back to that smartphone camera comparison.
Hallo? Potom pôjdeme na... Hallo, sir.
Video capture from the selfie camera on the Oppo. It does have that high resolution 4K video, of course, but it does seem to struggle a little bit with dynamic range here, going from shadow to light in some of these situations, not being able to see what's in the background as much. You can definitely see there's less detail in the Taj Mahal behind me than there is on the iPhone. Now, when you come to the Taj Mahal, you do have to wear little booties on your shoes just to keep the floor clean, but the marble up here is white, so on a hot sunny day you get the reflection off the marble, and it is double the temperature when you're standing up here as opposed to down in the gardens below. And this is a look at video capture from the selfie cameras on both of these devices in low light conditions. As you can see, the Oppo does tend to brighten things up a little bit more. While that does look good initially, if you look in the details, especially in my face, you can definitely see that it's a lot brighter than what it should be, losing out on some of the textures. Like, I do have a lot of wrinkles on my forehead, a lot of freckles, and those are definitely not coming through on the Oppo device and are showing on the iPhone. So let's flip things around to see what this looks like on the main sensor, because it's definitely going to look a whole lot better. And this here's a look at the main sensor on the back of both of these phones. As you can see, you do have a lot more detail here when shooting with the main sensor as opposed to that selfie camera. If you ever can, flip the phone around. It's always going to be a whole lot better, especially in low light conditions when capturing videos of yourself.